Hey everyone, today we're breaking down one of the most fundamental concepts in structural engineering, dead load versus live load. If you've ever wondered how engineers make sure buildings don't collapse, this is where it all starts. First up, dead load or DL. Think of this as the permanent weight of a structure, everything that stays put forever. We're talking about the self weight of beams, slabs, columns, walls, and even the finishes like tiles and plaster. Once your building is constructed, this load doesn't change during its entire lifetime. According to ACI 318 standards, engineers multiply the dead load by a safety factor of 1.2. This accounts for variations in material density and construction tolerances. Now, life load or LL is completely different. These are temporary or movable loads that change over time. Think people walking around, furniture being rearranged, snow accumulating on the roof, or wind pushing against the walls. Even vehicles in a parking structure count as live loads because these loads are variable and sometimes unpredictable. The ACI code requires a higher safety factor of 1.6 times the live load. This ensures the structure can handle peak usage scenarios safely. Engineers don't design for just dead loads or just live loads, they combine them using the formula from ACI 318. Design load equals 1.2 multiply dead load plus 1.6 multiply live load. Let's say you have a floor slab with a dead load of 100 pounds per square foot and an expected live load of 50 pounds per square foot. The design load would be 1.2 times 100 plus 1.6 times 50 equals 120 plus 80 equals 200 pounds per square foot. This load combination ensures your structure has adequate safety margins for all possible scenarios. So, to recap, dead loads are permanent structural weights with a 1.2 safety factor. Live loads are variable occupancy and environmental loads with a 1.6 safety factor. Engineers combine these using ACI 318 standards to ensure every building you enter is safe and sound. Understanding these concepts is essential whether you're in construction, engineering, or just curious about how the built environment works. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more engineering content.